So, good evening everyone. This is my code in computer programming. So, ang ginawa ko po is dictionary with for loop and if else. So, as you can see in my code is gumamit ako ng 30 engineering terms or words. So, bilangan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30. So, 30 engineering terms. So, magra-run na tayo guys. So, run tayo. So, type natin is... So, kunwari, type tayo circuit. Circuit guys. Wait lang, wrong spelling. Circuit. So, lumabas yung meaning ng circuit. So, magta-type tayo pa. So, magta-type pa tayo. So, run ulit natin. So, kinematics. Kinematics. Yan. Then, try ulit natin circuits. Wala na. So, yun lang. So, yun lang po. So, magra-run tayo ulit. So, anong gusto nating i-run is kunwari, load yung i-run natin, load. Yan. So, as you can see, nakikita nyo yung meaning niya. This meaning. So, tama yung nakalagay dito na terms and meaning. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and yeah. Thank you for watching.